So it's the first day of Tour de Fleece. Yay! And I still haven't gotten a chance to spin anything yet. It's only almost 6 p.m., but you know what? My Paradise Fibers came in the mail today. What a perfect day for it to come in. I'm so excited. Not that I don't have plenty of other stuff to spin anyway. I'm getting more of my floof ready to go. I'm going to sit and spin today. I just haven't had a chance yet. So let's see what we got in our Paradise Fibers this month. It is July 2025 Poolside Vibes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I like the sounds of this. Let's see. Ooh, how pretty does that look just right through the bag? So we got two nice bags of stuff and our goodie bag. So let's see what all this entails. This one. Okay. This one is called Sweet Breeze. It is a superwash Blueface Luster. Then we paired that with rose and lotus fibers for their absorbency, breathability, and drape. Ooh. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can fully see the shimmer in that, but that is really pretty. Yeah, I know, I smelled it. I mean, come on. Which one of you don't sniff your fiber? Let me know that. Okay, let's see. The other one is called Pina Colada. Okay, oh, this one was 6 ounces. This one is 4 ounces. Fabulously soft merino and flowing silk paired with pineapple fiber and a special something with their textures. Oh, add a special something. Sorry. I love the colors of that. Focus. Focus. You know you want to. There we go. Those are super summery colors. I love that. And they're totally my colors. So bonus. Okay, let's see. What else do we got in here? We have a slap bracelet. A handy dandy ruler for your wrist. And these always come in useful in your project bag. So that is super cool. And then we have a summer flower stitch marker. Oh, that's cute. Oh, wrong way. Turn. There we go. That is super cute. And our Eunice sticker at the pool. Super cute. And then instead of tea this month, we have lemon stick. Perfect for the summer. Okay, what else information do we have here? We have QR codes for a knitting and weaving project, I'm guessing. Scan weaving code on reverse side. Beginner friendly pattern. Can be a runner set or towel. Both options are fun to make. So that one is the weaving one. And here's, oh, right there. Being spun. Very cool. Oh, wait. Oh, here we go. Let's see. I can do like her. Here we go. Okay, yeah, I'm crazy. It's a long day. I want to spin. It's Tour de Fleece. I want to spin. Okay. We need to do some spinning. So, hope you guys all have an amazing Tour de Fleece. And I will see you at the end of the week with my first Tour de Fleece video. So make sure and look for it. Make sure and like and subscribe and click notify if you want to know when I upload. And I'll see you all Friday. Bye. Oh, and I forgot, side note, I am affiliated with Paradise Fibers, and there is my affiliation link down below, and there is a discount code. So make sure and go check it out. Bye.